Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to solve one more problem from LeetCode, that is 34th problem. And in this problem we need to find first and last position of an element in a sorted array, right? We need to solve this problem in order of n log n complexity. Let's take an example of this array. This is sorted array, right? 5 7 7 8 8 10, and our target is 8. So the starting position of 8 is, you can see, 0 1 2 3 third, and the ending position of 8 is 4. So we need to return 3 and 4. For this array, since 6 is not present, then we will return -1 -1. And if our array is empty, then also we need to return -1 -1. Constraint is that we need to solve this problem in order of n log n, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay, I draw the array in over here in one note. Now our task is to find the initial and final position of the, basically the first and last occurrence of 8, right? So let me give the indexing as well. So this is basically 0 1 2 3 4 5. Remember our answer was 3 4 because 8 is, first time 8 is coming at third position and last time 8 was coming at fourth position. So this was our answer. Now let's see how we can solve this problem. So basically we need to solve this problem in order of log n and then arrays in sorted manner. So the first thing should come in our mind should be binary search. Wherever you need to solve any problem that is in first sorted, and second you need to take the log n complexity, then we need to apply the binary search, right? How we can apply the binary search over here, let's see. What typical approach we used to follow? So here will be low, here will be high, and then we need to find mid, will be low plus high divided by 2, that is basically 0 plus 5 divided by 2, that is basically 2. So our mid will be over here, and then we need to find if a of mid equals to target, basically 7 equals to target. If yes, then we'll return, otherwise we won't return, right? So in this case it's not equal to, right, it's not equal to it. So we need to find where can our target should lie, whether in a left array or in a right array. So since our mid, that is 7, less than equals to our target, then we need to shift our low to mid plus 1. So our low will shift it over here. Now again for second iteration we'll calculate mid, right? So mid will be low plus high. So 3 plus 5 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So our mid will point over here, and then we'll see if target equals to mid, that is yes, right? So we need to return that. That was basically the typical binary search, but here we need to modify something. Modify is that we need to find the initial and last position of the target, right? Now see, our 8 came over there, right? We found our 8 over here, but we should not stop our search. We just store this position in some of the temp variable, and then we'll keep on searching either left or either right. But where? So so to find the initial index, over here we can't stop the search. We should find in either left or either right. So let's say we are trying to find the first index. So since we found it over there, then where can our first index will be? It obviously left, right? And then if we wanted to find the right, then it should move to the right index, right? Let me quickly draw the binary search code, and then we can understand typical binary search, right? So over here what we are doing, we are creating one while loop, low less than equals to high. We're creating one mid, and then when we found if our mid element is less than the target, then we are just keep on searching in a right array, or else we are keep on searching in a left array. But whenever we found our target to mid, then we are just returning it and we are breaking it. So what we need to do, let me draw it. over here. Okay, so this was the array, right, initially. So if we would have drawn this binary search, and then if we run over this, so we would have returned this index, right, 4. But what we need to do, we need to keep on searching in the left part as well to find the first occurrence, because first occurrence always will be in a left part. And let's say for the last occurrence, we should always go to the right part. Now what we need to modify, we need to modify this. How? We'll create one temp variable, and then we will store the mid, and then high to mid minus 1. That is for what? That is for first occurrence. For last occurrence, what we will do, we'll again take the mid variable, and then we will start searching in a right part, then mid plus 1. So these two changes we need to do over there just to perform the first and last occurrence. Here is last occurrence, right? So let me write it over LeetCode, and then we can see over there. Okay, so we written the code. This is basically the main function, this one, and then this one is the drive function. So what it will, how it will run, let's understand. So what I have done, I have created one integer array, that is the -1 just in case our element is not present. And then what I'm doing, I'm calling this search function twice. First, to find the initial position of the element. Second, to find the last position of the element. Here I am just denoting it as a true and false. True means I am trying to find the initial position. False means I am trying to find the last position. Now, as we discussed, it's a typical binary search only, and then we are just finding the mid, and if so will be same. It was from old search only. Now if we found the element, now here we are changing. Now if we found the element and then we are looking for true means starting position, then in this case we are keep on traversing in the left array. And then if we are looking for the last element, that is false, then we are keep on traversing in a right array. So that was basically the change, and then we are storing the target in a temp variable, and at the end we'll return temp. So yeah, I hope you understood the problem. Thanks for watching.